Okay, today's trade recap. I traded two stocks, DGAS and UGAS. Again, a slow day. Let's go over. Let's grab my net P&L here. So net P&L $257.93. 10 tickets, 8,600 shares. Realized $314 on UGAS, and I have negative $40 on DGAS. So let's go over the trades here. So on the daily, what I liked about UGAS is we have 5 red days in a row. So after 5 days of a pullback, it's bound to push up. So today it was a little bit lighter volume than normal, so it traded pretty slow. But stayed patient, focused on the 30-minute chart here, and just look for a good entry. So anyhow, woke up kind of early because I slept a long time after working a lot of hours yesterday. So I actually bought in pre-market, so I don't normally do that. But again, on the daily 5 days of pullback, I was pretty confident it would push up. So took a starter position here. It sold off. I added, and then it just kept selling off. And then market opened here, did a small pullback, and then just a giant push up. So I sold for a profit here. I think it was like $124, and then waited for the next pullback, and I jumped back in 1,000 shares, and it was just very light volume. So a lot of high frequency trading going on right here. A couple pennies in and out. Small pullback, and it pushed up, and then I just sold as soon as I could. So this is actually one sell order. It just took 3 different people to buy my 1,000 shares. So then it sold off. I waited for another confirmation of it pushing up. So I bought in here, started position, then I added, and then I sold. So notice how I sold at the previous resistance here, and again it consolidated and then just slowly grinded up. So then I was up on the day 300, and let's go back to here, $314, and that's all my trades for UGAS. So overall good day. My trade on DGAS wasn't that great. So if you look at the daily here, so I was just looking for a small base hit play on here. If you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days up, and then obviously it's pulling back. So ebb and flow. You gotta realize that the stock has to pull back eventually, and today was that day. So luckily I took a small loss. So should have sold here, but I ended up selling for a $4 loss over here. So I tried to stay patient, and today there just wasn't a lot of pullback to the VWAP here. So just a constant pullback pretty much since right before 11 o'clock, about 10:30, just started pulling back all day. And of course it pushes up last minute. So anyhow, that's just the way it goes. So if I would have sold here, I wouldn't have taken a loss. So I would have made a low profit, but it is what it is. I'm glad to keep losses small and get out while I could, because could have gone the other way as well. So but anyway, that's my trade recap on the 30th. Again, net P&L is $257.93. So I'll see if there's anything going on tomorrow, and if not, I just have to be patient and wait until the following day. So that's my trade recap.